If the pumps have not been charged within the past 48 hours, you must recharge the pumps prior to sampling. Start the pumps as they need to warm up for at least 3 minutes before you begin sampling. If you need information on calibrating pumps prior to sampling, please view our Pump Calibration with Filter video. The recommended pump flow rate is 2 liters per minute. To begin sampling, attach one end of the Tygon tubing to the pump. Attach a new, unopened 25 mm cassette to the tubing from the pump by removing the nib from the long, narrow stem of the cassette outlet. Do not remove the cap or nib from the inlet of the cassette until sampling begins. The entire inlet cap will be removed prior to sampling for an open-face sample. Attach the pump to the worker's belt or pocket, either in back or on the side. Bring the tubing up and around their back. Use the tubing clip to attach the tubing in place along the shirt to restrict its movement. Attach the filter to the shirt collar. Remove the inlet cap of the cassette using a cassette opener, coin, or screwdriver. Turn on the pump and record the time to the minute that you started the pump. Remember, 2 field blanks are required for up to 20 asbestos samples with 10% blanks above 20 samples. Blanks should accompany the monitor during all periods except actual sampling. For more detailed information, watch our field blanks video. The counter records the minutes the pump is operating and should read 0 when you start the test. Caution! Do not overload the filter with dust. High levels of non-fibrous dust particles may obscure fibers on the filter and lower the count or make counting impossible. If more than about 25 to 30% of the field area is obscured with dust, the result may be biased low. Smaller air volumes may be necessary when there is excessive non-asbestos dust in the air. After sampling is complete, turn off the pump, remove the cassette, and immediately install the end cap and nibs on both ends of the cassette. Record the time, remove the equipment, and perform a post-calibration, preferably in an area with the same approximate temperature as was used during the pre-calibration. Then record the flow rate on the pump calibration sheet. Place the cassettes in the Ziploc bag for shipment to Gulson Laboratories. Then complete the chain of custody form. It is important that you include all the information requested in order to ensure the turnaround time of your samples. Remove the pink copy and keep this for your records. Send the white and yellow copies in with the samples to the lab in the large Ziploc bag.